Good afternoon, sir and classmate. This is my topic, cyber and digital literacy. First, what is digital literacy? It is the ability to find, gather, evaluate, and use information from various sources using technology. Second, what is cyber literacy? It includes understanding how digital tools work and how to use them correctly and effectively. Difference and relationship. Digital literacy focuses on skill, knowledge, and the ability to use tools and informations. Cyber literacy focuses on proper behavior, ethics, and safety while using the internet. Relationship both are necessary to become a critical thinker, safe, and responsible digital citizen. Importance of cyber and digital literacy. First, learning and knowledge open many opportunities for education and accessing information. Second, communications makes interaction with others faster and easier even from afar. And last, awareness of right and responsibilities help you know what is right and wrong. 4. Safety help avoid risks such as fraud, identity theft, and other online dangers. Elements of digital literacy. Technology proficiency, knowing how to use device and software. Information management, ability to store, organize, and retrieve data. Content creator, ability to produce original work, ideas, and content using technology. Safety and ethics, being courteous and following laws and guidelines. Ways to stay safe and responsible. Protect private information. Do not share passwords, address, or phone number with strangers. Think before you click. Ensure website and message are safe and trustworthy. Important law to know. Cyber Prevention Act RA 10175 Law Against Crime commencing using technology such as label and proofs. Data Privacy Act RA 10173 Law protecting your personal information and right to privacy. Intellectual Property Code respecting creators' rights and avoiding plagiarism or unauthorized use of work. Conclusions. Being literate in cyber and digital skills is not just an advantage but a necessity in modern times. Thank you.